Hello guys, welcome to cgeeks. Today our topic is how you can use remote desktop connection at your PC. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So RDC is basically used to connect all other clients or servers on your home network. For this purpose, first you need to enable remote desktop option in your PC. Secondly, open RDC. Third, you need to give IP of that specific client or server with credentials of that specific Windows. Then you need to acknowledge and you can have access of that PC. So we will search here remote desktop connection setting. This one. So this should be enabled. Currently it's off. Confirm it. Confirm it. So remote desktop option is enabled here. Now you need to open remote desktop connection, this app. So this is remote desktop connection. You need to put or insert IP of that specific client or server. I am giving an IP of one of my server. Then show more option. Username, you need to input that specific username of server. Like I have administrator. Now you can save it for further use. Allow me to save as on desktop. Name server 1. Save it. As you have observed that server 1 RDC is saved here. Then you need to connect. Allow password of that specific server. Okay. Allow or you can refuse. Yes. So this is our client server desktop we are in. This is the IP and all other settings like networks. You can minimize it. You can restore or maximize. Or you can close this RDC. Okay. Now you can access directly from this shortcut. You have no need to enter IP or other credentials. Yes. So just on simple clicks we are in enter server. So guys, in this way you can use RDC for any client or server or PC which is in your home network. Thanks guys for watching and learning.